Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum, I'm still here in the very short term watching if it completes or completed already here this wave 2, which means that we had this 1-2 setup after this wave 4 finished on the at 1560, yeah, and this 1-2 setup is valid as long as we're really holding here above 1560, isn't it? That's what we looked at. Also because the wave 4 could sit here, it could sit here. That's a bit of an unknown, and therefore it's best to give the trade a little bit more space, or the scenario a little bit more space. But overall, it is holding much better here than, for example, Bitcoin is doing. Ethereum is holding way above the critical lower boundary of this support area at 1560. I mean, we're currently at around 1646, so there is still a lot of space, let's say, to the downside should Ethereum need it without invalidating this wave 4. So we are still in this choppy sideways range, choppy sideways action here, and it's just a corrective structure. Yeah, so in corrective structures, the lower degree count is less important. What is important is the key support area, the threshold invalidation point. Yeah, I mean, I always repeat it also because a lot of new people come into this. A lot of people want to learn about Elliott Wave. A lot of people have no understanding about how it actually works with the Elliott Waves. And what I do here on the lower time frame, I show you possible wave counts to give you an orientation of where we are here in the cycle. You get wave counts on different time frames. The lower the time frame, the less reliable it is, or not necessarily the less reliable, but the more frequent they do change. Yeah, and the more active you need to be. So of course this can change frequently from video to video, whereas the longer time frame counts, they stay more stable, they stay. It's very simple. It's like as if you draw a trend line here on the 5-minute chart. This trend line will certainly get invalidated more frequently than a trend line on the 2-day chart, yeah, or the 4-day chart. Very important. It's nothing, no different. Yeah. Also, the Elliott waves are basically just a system, just an indicator that we can use to understand market structure. But hey, we have a possible 1-2 setup complete. It is very choppy though. Yeah, and the corrective price structure in this channel makes any long trade questionable at the moment, in my opinion. But again, I can only repeat it again. As long as we're holding the support area, a move to the upside here is further confirmed, or not confirmed, it's preferred, ideally into the $1,800 region. If we zoom out, then you can see that if we make that additional extension here to the upside, with that we could finish off this green 5th wave of the 3rd wave, and then we have a 3-wave move to the upside. It could also be a 5-wave move. However, this is less reliable. So yeah, of course, I can say, maybe this wave 3 was actually sitting here. There's a way of counting this as well. Here, the 4 and the 5, You can always make up counts if you want to, but the thing is, it needs to be a reliable one. It needs to be based on experience and most likely wave structures. So a 5-wave move could theoretically be complete as well, but I'm not primarily focusing on that. So my view is at the moment that we are here in the 3rd wave still, with clearly impulsive potential. If we lose this micro support area that I've just shown you, then I will watch first, do we hold a wave 4 support, which is not so strong, which would be a rather shallow correction. Yeah, the wave 2 correction was quite strong. So the wave 4 is a rather shallow one, because the wave 2, I can just show that to you. The wave 2 just roughly retraced to pretty much the area between the 61.8 to 78.6 fib. And the wave 4 would normally be expected to retrace into the region around the 38.2 fib. So around about 30 to 40% fib, 30 to 40% retracement of the move. Not of the chart, but of the move. So yeah, this is the area 1434. If the bulls can hold this area, we will get with a high likelihood a 5th wave. this would complete a wave 1. And then we can, in the upcoming move down, then we can watch for a wave 2 retracement. And if this holds, and this could certainly then send us higher in a, in a third wave. We would have to put a third wave here in green and so on. But I don't want to put too many numbers on the chart. We would then get a third wave and a fourth and a fifth, which would complete this third wave and so on. But we're not there yet. It's still taking a long time. And also, just to mention, if we don't hold this yellow wave 4 support, then we might have to consider that wave 3 finished here, wave 4 finished here, wave 5 finished here, wave 1 finished there, in this alternative count, and that we have a chance to hold a wave 2 support. In either scenario, if the wave 2 is holding, then we can, with a good likelihood, confirm that the bear market low has been struck already. Until then, we have to be ready that we could also easily still continue with the bear market, because this could easily just be like Bitcoin, an A wave, a B wave, a C wave in some kind of a flat pattern, and we would then come down still and retest, first of all, the $1,000 level. If that breaks, we can still see that 650 level. Nothing changed from that point of view. And also the current move up is in no way super bullish. It is all it is at the moment. We don't have the bullish structure. Yes, we see an uptrend on the lower time frame. Did I trade it? Yes. Did I make you aware? Yes. Did we talk about it already middle of December? Yes. But it's not in any way currently confirming that this is already the bull run. Crypto Twitter, you see bullish, you see bearish. A lot of people try to bring out the crystal ball. I don't try to do that. What I try to do is to take it step by step, take it level by level, have a approach focused on risk management and common sense, and we take it level by level. And at some point, we will then be able to confirm that the low is in, instead of giving people hope. Which is sort of hopium, which some people might want to need, or might need, some people might want to hear, but that's not what we try to do. We try to stay objective and not biased, even though I'm invested, of course, as well. So, we need those 5 waves, but the current move is in no way confirming in any way that the bull market is already running. Again, this could just be an ABC, and even with 5 waves, it could be a C wave here. So what we need to see is that it holds this wave 2 support, because then you have a wave 1, 2. That would be probably what we get, like the best confirmation the bear market low has been struck already. So that's going to be important in the weeks to come. And again, here on the 1 hour chart, I know it is a bit boring, and I know a lot of people want to hear, we are going up or whatever, but you can't say at this stage. We're just constrained in a channel. So when the market will break out, only the market will decide that. What I can tell you is the key thresholds and invalidation points below which a move into the wave 4 support area is strongly favored, and that will be if we break below 1560. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.